We're entering a world where humans are losing something fundamental. Not just resources, not opportunities, not freedom. We're losing skill. Technology is replacing the very abilities that once defined us. Thinking, navigating, building, remembering, creating, even driving. And the more advanced the world becomes, the less competent we become. Today, we're breaking down how technology is killing skill and what that means for the future of human identity. Skill isn't just something you do, skill is something you are. Your skills shape your confidence, your identity, your independence, your resilience, your sense of meaning. Humans evolved through skill. We survived through skill. We built civilization through skill. But now, for the first time in history, we're outsourcing skill to machines, and we're doing it willingly. Every major technological shift follows the same pattern. It removes effort, it removes friction, it removes responsibility, it removes skill, it removes identity. GPS removed navigation, smartphones removed memory, AI removed writing and thinking, delivery apps removed cooking and providing, social media removed social skill, automation removed problem solving, electric cars removed driving skill. The more the system does for you, the less you do for yourself. And the less you do for yourself, the less self you actually have. Driving used to be a skill, a rite of passage, a moment where you became responsible for something powerful. Electric cars are silent, smooth, automated, predictable, frictionless. No gears, no sound, no mechanical feedback, no sense of mastery. Soon, you won't even drive, you'll just sit. The car becomes the driver, you become the passenger. This is the death of skill in real time. AI is doing to thinking what electric cars did to driving. It writes for you, it plans for you, it decides for you, it remembers for you, it solves problems for you. Thinking used to be a skill, now it's becoming a service. And when you outsource thinking, you outsource identity. Because your identity is built on your thoughts, your decisions, your ideas, your problem solving, your creativity. If AI does all of that, what's left? The Y theory explains this perfectly. People build systems that reflect their identity, and systems shape the identity of the people who use them. Tech companies want scalability, predictability, compliance, efficiency, reduced risk, so they build systems that remove friction, uncertainty, complexity, responsibility, human variability. Skill is unpredictable, skill is messy, skill is human, so the system removes it. And the more people use these systems, the more they adopt the identity the system requires. Passive, dependent, low agency, low competence, predictable. This is the death of skill, engineered through incentives, not intention. When skill dies, humans lose confidence, resilience, independence, creativity, problem solving, emotional depth, self-trust. We become spectators in our own lives. We don't cook, we order. We don't think, we prompt. We don't navigate, we follow. We don't create, we generate. We don't drive, we ride. We don't remember, we search. A society without skill becomes a society without identity. We're at a crossroads. Path 1, total dependence. A world where humans outsource everything. Thinking, effort, responsibility, creativity, decision-making. We become passengers in a machine-run world. Path 2, the reskilling movement. A world where people consciously choose skill over convenience, competence over comfort, agency over automation, identity over efficiency. The future depends on whether people want to be capable or comfortable. Technology isn't killing skill, we are, by choosing convenience over competence. The question isn't, will technology replace us? The real question is, will we let it? This is Invest Connect, and this is how you stay ahead.